Full send. And it's flipped itself around just for me. All right, out here with the Typhon V4, old school by today's comparison, on 6S. Have not driven this car in years. I think the last time I drove it was at the old BMX track. So it's been a while. Look at that. Predictable. All stock. Man, this thing flies. Oh, I have no power, no nothing. Something's come unplugged, or maybe it's turned itself off. All right, so car just turned off, which is one of the annoying things with these older versions running the BLX system, where they have the slider switch. So we'll do a couple more jumps here and then we'll move on to the big ones. See what we can break with the Typhon V4. Oh, and this thing flies. All right, let's move it on. All right, here we go. Typhon V4. I think this might be the first time at Altona. Flies well. Got a bit of headwind, but still doesn't do too bad. Full send. Just slops the ground. Does not care. I miss driving this car actually. Tell you what, buggies are fun. All right, we'll do one more and we'll head out. Oh, don't stay upright, come on. And we'll head to the Superman jump. Kind of correcting itself in the air, which is really good. All right, here we go. Let's see what happens. I have not taken this car here, I don't think. I remember bringing, upside down. All right, so I remember bringing the 3S Typhon out here some years ago, but I don't think I ever bought the 6S. Oh, come on. Oh, geez, really? So we got a backflip out of the Typhon. Can we get another? Oh. That one was a little bit sketchy. That was a little bit sketchy. That was half a miss. And it's off. All right, here we go. Let's keep this going. And it's flipped itself around just for me. I was going to say it's off again, but it's not. It's all good. Man, this Typhon, after all these years, oh, I think it might be getting a bit hot maybe. Yeah, I think it might be getting hot because it's or either that or the battery's starting to crap out, because I'm getting intermittent throttle responses here. Yes, it's off now, only got steering. So maybe it's getting a bit warm. Maybe we call it a day before something bad happens. Could be the battery. These are Ovonic 5200 milliamp 50C. These are old packs. I'm contemplating just binning them because they're becoming a bit unreliable now after all these years. So I might need to end this one here, and maybe we'll come back another time. Maybe we'll do a comparison video, like a shootout between this and maybe a Radix, or one of the Team Magic cars, or the Hobao buggy that I recently built as well. Let me know in the comments below which car you want to see a shootout on this against the Typhon, and let me know what else you want to see me do with the Typhon. But for now, I'm going to leave it here, guys. Okay, I'm going to interrupt the video a little bit here because this car did not come away from this without damage. It actually did sustain a bit of damage on the day, but I just want to also remind you that I've had this car since new. This was sent to me by ARRMA when the car was being launched. So this is a V4 Typhon. I've driven it quite a lot on camera and off camera, and I have done really hardly any maintenance to it or any mods to it at all. Most of the car is pretty much stock. So the fact that I did have something go wrong with it after all this time, and given the punishment that I put it through today, that's not bad. So I'll show you what exactly happened. So you can see here that this arm is actually hanging lower than this one. And this is what kind of drew me to the car. I was like, well, hang on, what's going on? And you'll see that the shock has actually pushed through the A-arm here. I don't think this is broken, I'm not sure. I haven't taken it out or anything. I've left it as it was. This is how it left the track. And that's one of the things that's damaged. The other thing is that I've got my upper hinge pin that's backing out on that side. And then the one on this side is also backing out. You can see there, it's almost all the way out. And if I take the body off real quick, you'll see that the A-arms are kind of like, the upper arms just jiggling along. So, and you'll also notice that the electrics and everything on this car is stock. There's no alloy chassis braces or anything like that. There's no EXB parts anywhere. This is pretty much as stock as it gets. All I've done is put XT150s because, as you guys know, that's what I run. And I'm running a 17-tooth pinion, which I don't believe that's stock. And that's it. I haven't done anything else to the car. It's got stock shocks, shock towers, diff oils. Everything that you see on this is 100% stock. Of course, the chassis has seen better days. For those of you that might be wondering, you know, does this have a bend in it after all this time? Well, yes, it does. You can see it there. It does have a bit of a bend. Does that bother me? No, not really. I don't really care too much for that. This is a basher after all. If I was doing, you know, some track work or something like that, sure, I might want to straighten out the chassis or get a better quality one so that I, you know, have nice precision driving. But given the punishment that I've put through this car through, given how old it is, to have only now, you know, having parts that are fatigued and starting showing signs of wear, I think that's you know, that's a winner. In my opinion, this car has done very, very well for what it is. Hopefully ARRMA bring out an updated version of this. I don't think they've updated it since the V5s, which was about 2 or 3 years ago now. And yeah, I'd love to see what they do with the Typhon going forward. But for now, I'm going to leave it here. Thank you all very much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button before you go. Subscribe to the channel if you're new to see more content like this, and I'll be speaking to you all next time.